Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn a picture into a cartoon using Tensor.art. So what you're going to need to do is just go to your browser and go to Tensor.art. And then you're going to need to create an account. I already created one and I signed into it. So once you're signed in, what you need to do is just type in the search bar cartoon yourself and then hit enter. Then you're going to click on the AI tools. You're going to find a bunch of AI tools that you can use. I'm just going to use this one right here. And then what you need to do is just drag the image that you want to turn into a cartoon. So I have an image right here. I'll just drag it and drop it over here. And here you can see the remaining credits that I have. So I have 50 credits when it comes to creating images with the Tensor.art. So I'll just click on go and use some of them. And just wait for it to load up. All right, it just generated the image and looks like it Loki just changed my ethnicity a little bit and made me a bit more Asian, but that's okay. I don't mind. But it's done a really good job when it comes to getting the details and also, generating the entire cartoon image itself. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use. You can just click on this download button right there and it will download the image right away to your computer. And that's it. Hope that video is helpful.